Here we are at directory.vancouver.wsu.edu, and in this tutorial I will be showing you how to add images to the additional pages we created earlier. So if we'll get logged in here, and here's my profile. We can scroll down and see the additional pages I've already created, and let's open one of them up. And here we have a page full of text. It has absolutely no graphic elements, which makes for a rather bland looking page. So let's remedy that situation. Click Edit. So this screen should look pretty familiar by now. And if you look in the toolbar here, we've got this Insert/Edit Image button. If you click it, this is what gives you the option to insert an image from somewhere else on the internet, but not from your local computer, which is what we're actually going to focus on today. So scroll down, and here we have this option for insertable images. If we hit Browse, we can grab an image from our computer. I will grab a picture of a fish. Hit Upload. Now it's on the web server. We use alternate text here. I'll say this is a fish. For anyone who can't actually view this image, the text will show up instead. So now what we're going to do is scroll back up and place our cursor where we want the image and go back down. We've got this option of either using rounded corners or the original image, and then we'll click Insert. So we can immediately see it up here. It's kind of in an awkward place on the page, but we'll just run with it for now. Hit Save, and we'll see it the way the rest of the world will. Like I said, it's not really how we'd like to see it, so let's figure out how we can change that. If we go back into the editing option and click on this image, we can hit this Insert Edit Image again and do some formatting for it here. So here you've got the dimensions of the image. If you set one or the other, it'll automatically adjust the other dimension. So let's have it 250 pixels high and align it to the left. Let's update our image here. And things have already changed a little bit. So let's hit Save. So here it is in the page. The alignment's much better. Still a bit of a large image, but that's alright. The white space is how it should be. That's just by default, it appears that way. But let's mess with it a little more just for learning's sake. If we hit Edit Image again, we can flip it over to the right side. So here it is over on the right. We'll hit Save one more time to view it how the rest of the world sees it. And here you go. Same proper white space. Looks good in the page just in general. Now let's go back and edit it a little bit more and maybe even throw in another image. Actually, let's just go ahead and do a whole new image here. Add another item, browse for our image, and upload. Now we've got an image on the web server. Let's give it some alternate text. I do not know what type of bird this is, so a colorful waterfowl will do as the alternate text here. So let's just scroll down and click Save here. I know we haven't added it yet, but I'll show you what this does. So it doesn't show up on this public view, but if we hit Edit again, we still keep it in case we want to use it for later use. There it is. And let's actually put it in now. So we could put it in either the left column or the right column. But since we don't have anything in the bottom right now, let's just drop it in there. Put your cursor where you want it, hit insert, and we got the rounded corners on this one too. But yeah, here you can see it a little better. But let's delete it and show you what it looks like with the original image. There, it doesn't have the rounded corners, it's the regular right angles. Either one's fine. Go ahead and use whatever you'd like to use in your site. Here we can set it to align, whichever way we'd like. Let's just choose right for now. And here we can once again change the dimensions if we'd like. This has already been set for us. Hit update and save it, and it will appear in this public view. And here it is down at the bottom, just where we placed it. So now we've got two images on our page, and they don't look very good. So let's go about deleting one of these here. So let's scroll down to our bird, just click it and hit your delete key. It will go away for you here. But once again, it still remains on the server, and if you're sure you don't ever want it again, hit remove. Hit save, and you will have your page without the bird or whatever picture you chose to delete. So that's how you insert images, style them a little bit, and delete them.